Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate experiment standing waves. At the end of this experiment, students should be able to investigate standing waves formed in a stretched string and to determine the mass per unit length of the string. When a stretched string is vibrated at a frequency, the standing waves formed have both ends as notes. The frequency and the tension in the string obey the following relation in equation 1, where F is the frequency, L is the length between two notes, T is the tension in the string, and mu is the mass per unit length. By comparing equation 1 with the linear equation, we plot a graph of T against L squared. We will obtain a linear line graph as shown. The gradient M is 4 mu F squared. Rearrange, mu is equal to M over 4 F squared. The apparatus used for this experiment are a G-clamp, an AC supply, a magnet holder and two bar magnets, a copper wire of about 2 meter long, a pulley with clamp, 2 wooden wedges, set of slotted mass 5 gram, 10 gram and 20 gram, a meter rule, connecting wires, and sandpapers. First, set up the apparatus. Make sure the length of the wire is about 1.5 meter from the G-clamp to the pulley. Add slotted mass into the hook. Then, remove a little bit of insulator from the copper wire and then clip the connecting wires at both ends near the pulley and the G-clamp. Next, connect the connecting wires to the AC power supply. Do not exceed 4 volt. Place the wooden wedges below the wire as close as possible to the pulley. Switch on the power supply. Adjust the position of the wooden wedges until a clear single loop standing waves is observed. Switch off the power supply. Record the distance between the wedges and the total mass. Repeat the experiment for 6 different sets of masses. Then, weigh the mass of the wire and measure the total length of the copper wire. Record your readings for the mass and the length. So, here is the data that were obtained from this experiment. Plot a graph of T against L squared. Analyze your data from the graph. You may pause the video to copy and complete the table. Once you have completed the table, write a full report. Calculate the mass per unit length of the wire and compare it with the result you obtain from the gradient. State the source of error as well as any precaution taken to overcome them. Finally, state your conclusion for the experiment. Thank you for watching.